Choosing the right accounting software for your industry can make a world of difference in how efficiently your business operates. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to pick the best solution for your needs, saving you both time and money in the process. Stick with me till the end. I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, just for viewers of this channel, so you can follow along and test it out yourself. First things first, consider your industry's specific needs. The right accounting software isn't one size fits all. For example, a retail business will need software that can track inventory alongside finances, while a freelance consultant may not need inventory tracking at all. So, understanding the features your industry specifically requires is key to making the right decision. Next, think about the size of your business. Are you a small business or a large enterprise? Smaller businesses might not need complex systems. Look for something straightforward, but still customizable. Larger businesses often require more robust tools that can handle advanced functions like multi-currency support or integration with other enterprise systems. Our software, for example, offers scalability, allowing it to grow with your business. Another important consideration is ease of use. No matter how powerful an accounting tool is, if your team can't use it, it's not worth your time. Look for a solution that has an intuitive user interface and ideally one that offers customer support if you run into any trouble. Our software, for instance, has a user-friendly dashboard that's easy to navigate right out of the box. Security is non-negotiable when dealing with financial data. Ensure the software you choose offers robust encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure data storage. After all, the last thing you want is for your financial data to be at risk. The software we'll be using has top-tier security protocols to keep your business's information safe. Now let's talk about integrations. The best accounting software integrates seamlessly with the other tools you use. Whether it's your CRM, payment processing, or inventory management system, make sure the software can talk to other platforms without hassle. A seamless connection between your software can save you a lot of manual work. Our software integrates with multiple platforms, allowing for a smooth workflow across your business. Also, don't forget about pricing. The cheapest option might sound attractive, but if it doesn't meet your needs, it could end up costing you more in the long run. Consider what features you truly need and choose software that fits within your budget while still offering essential functionalities. Our software has pricing tiers that allow you to pick the right plan for your business without overpaying for unnecessary features. I know this can feel like a lot, but here's the key takeaway. When choosing the right accounting software for your industry, prioritize the features that are specific to your business, the ease of use for your team, and the scalability to grow with your business. Always remember to check for integration capabilities and security, and ensure the pricing aligns with your budget. To recap, define your needs, match the software to your business size, look for user-friendliness, prioritize security, check for integrations, and be mindful of pricing. Don't forget, I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. Just check out the link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to take advantage of it and test the software out for yourself. Thanks for watching.